Hi, my name is Thomas Gambrill. I own Service One Roadside and Automotive in Rogers and Springdale, Arkansas. My company started doing business with Greek Fire LLC, also known as Ben Walker, in June of 2016. Within about 6 months of that time, our gross revenue went from $4,000 a month to $13,000 a month. Absolutely incredible. I definitely recommend them. They're much better than your web.com and your GoDaddy and your Google because they have the personalized kind of service that you look forward to, and they care whether or not you do well because that's how they do well. I couldn't find another advertiser that I could recommend more. It's definitely something you want to try if you're in business and you want to succeed. Unless, of course, you're happy eating macaroni and cheese and hot dogs. I personally am not, as you can tell. So I strongly recommend doing business with them. I think they'll take you places as they've done for us. We haven't made a wrong move since, so I strongly recommend it and think that you should give it a shot. Thank you very much.